Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a no NVIDIA GPU is detected on your system. So I've seen a lot of fake videos on YouTube. This one is the actual fix that worked for me. You just come here, right click on your start icon, click here on device manager. I'll show you how I fixed mine. So you'll see mine appear right here under display adapters. But the way you fix this, okay, is you click here on view, then you click on show hidden devices, and then you'll see this one right here, Microsoft Basic Display Adapter. Under Display Adapters, you just right click on it, click here on Scan for Hardware Changes, okay? And then what I want you to do now is I want you to click on Update Driver after that, and then click on Browse My Computer for Drivers. Then click here, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And then just click on show all devices, click on next, and then right here I want you to uncheck this where it says show compatible drivers. Now you'll see NVIDIA actually show up. I want you to click on that, and then I want you to look for the model of your NVIDIA GPU. Okay, if you have a PC, that is easy, you know what the model is. If you have a laptop, just go ahead to your system about section. You just right click here and then you click on system. You'll see your PC name. You can search it up on Google, your graphics card. So mine is this one right here, M2200 Quadro, right? So you come back here, you look for it, then you click on next. When you get this warning, just click on yes, and then it will go ahead and install your driver. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.